the world is open for whatever they want to do.
Listen to what I just said. Your success is important to all of us. I want to make sure you young men are ready to take over. I want to make sure that you're prepared to fix what we messed up, but I also want you to improve what we've left for you.
I want to applaud all of you for waking up early this Saturday morning and making the decision to empower yourself today.
Today is the day you begin figuring out what you're going to do with your life.
Today, you have an incredible array of professionals with expertise, with life experiences that will provide you with the tool set for you to build your foundation of your life, fill it with knowledge, wisdom, pride, y ganas.
For many of them, this is the first time they stepped onto a college campus, and it's a great one at PCC.
It's scary. I'm scared of coming to college because it's such a big place. I'm afraid I'll get lost.
And I know that there are many of you out there that are carrying a heavy load. And for you, I want you to know that you are not alone. I want you to know that this event and the people here, we are your lifeboats.
At this age group, being able to see all these career opportunities, it just gets their mind going, you know.
That's the biggest advantage and I think the biggest appeal of conferences like the Adelante conference, right? It's that these kids are going to be having conversations with very successful people from a lot of different industries.
So it's important to have something for everybody so that everybody is involved and interested.
I couldn't be more thrilled to really be presenting in front of all these young people because they are going to be the future storytellers. Whether they're scientists or lawyers or they're going to be directors or writers or even doctors.
We dissected a heart. That was really interesting.
I went to So You Want to Be a Lawyer and one for NASA for my little brother. He came with me today.
The one workshop that really interested me was the heart dissection workshop.
Because I want to pursue a career in the medical field, so I want to learn as much as I can.
What I hope they walk away with is a different perspective on some of the things they want to do growing up.
Sometimes what works for one person may work for another, it may not. It's important to participate in these programs specifically because we don't have a lot of representation.
I think they need to see people who look like them, who are doing well. Our keynote speaker today, Ray Rodriguez, he's an Ivy Leaguer, went to one of the best law schools anywhere at Cal, and he works for one of the biggest companies taking care of a huge brand. That's the potential that these kids have.
Well, I just think it's so important right now that we give children hope at a time when there's a direct line from the rhetoric of the White House. We really have to be now very inspirational for our children. We have to make sure that they know that we are a force to be reckoned with. Just to see the energy in the room and to see all these kids from all these different places, all these different cities, and for Adelante to be able to organize such a uplifting and powerful moment is inspirational.
A lot of kids don't get a lot of resources to help them get to college. So I know this conference, the way that it's organized and how professional they keep it, it really informs the kids on what's out there for them.
And at the end of the day, I want it to be fun and relatable. I want them to leave motivated.
And the fun part now is that there's more and more of us at the corporate level, in politics, in government, in medicine, in journalism. But we need more.
Thank you.